Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update Compare at International Price Market to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select Compare at International Price Market from the Store Product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. Before selecting the Compare at International Price, please ensure to map the international pricing market. For the Compare at International Price Market field settings, you can set the price condition to markup or markdown product's price. For example, to mark up the price by 50%, set rules as any price multiplied by 1.5. It will multiply all the prices by 1.5. The price condition supports complex conditions for more use cases. Next is the Compare at International Price delimiter that can be set according to preference. Choose from comma or decimal, or leave it as auto. Next is the Compare at International Price round, which is used to standardize the product's price if the round number is used too often, or the prices do not have a clear focus digit. By default, the option would be the same as the price field. A currency code is for updating on the price on a specific market. For example, if the Canadian market's currency is CAD, simply select the CAD currency, and it will update it to the market accordingly. Once you are ready, click on Next,